Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, affordable awesomeness. Are you in the market for a phone that delivers awesome performance and features without breaking the bank? Look no further than the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. This mid-range marvel packs a surprising punch, offering a smooth user experience, a vibrant display, capable cameras, and the blazing speeds of 5G connectivity. A design that shines. The Samsung Galaxy A25 5G sports an aesthetic that balances simplicity and modern flair. Its sleek, minimalist profile feels great in your hand. On the back, the seamless camera housing gives it a cohesive look, while subtle patterns and a soft matte finish add a touch of personality. Plus, it's available in a range of colors to match your style. Immerse yourself in the display. Get ready to be captivated by the Galaxy A25 5G's 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. With vivid colors, deep blacks, and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, everything from streaming movies to scrolling through social media becomes a visual treat. On top of that, Samsung's Vision Booster technology dials up the brightness for excellent visibility, even in direct sunlight. Capture moments with ease. You don't need to be a professional photographer to snap impressive photos with the Galaxy A25 5G. Its versatile triple-lens rear camera system gives you the tools to capture everyday moments and special occasions. The main 50MP sensor delivers crisp, detail-rich shots, while the depth and macro lenses let you get artistic with creative blur effects and close-up details. With features like optical image stabilization, OIS, you can say goodbye to blurry videos and photos caused by shaky hands. Even in low-light situations, the A25 5G works to keep your shots clear and vibrant. Performance that keeps up. The heart of the Galaxy A25 5G is a powerful and efficient processor, ensuring that the phone can handle your daily needs with ease. Multitasking is a breeze, and apps and games run smoothly. Whether you're editing photos, streaming videos, or switching between tasks, the A25 5G provides a responsive and enjoyable experience. 5G, the future of connectivity. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A25 5G is its inclusion of, you guessed it, 5G connectivity. As 5G networks roll out more broadly, you'll be ready to experience the lightning-fast speeds, reduced lag times, and greater reliability that this next-generation tech promises. Get ready for downloads in a blink of an eye, seamless online gaming, and crystal-clear video calls. Power to last. Nobody likes being tethered to a power outlet. That's why the Galaxy A25 5G is equipped with a massive battery that's designed to keep you going all day and then some. Depending on your usage, you may even get 2 days out of a single charge. And, when it does need topping up, the A25 5G has your back with fast charging support. The total package. The Samsung Galaxy A25 5G offers so much more than what we've covered. From expandable storage via microSD cards to its robust One UI software and Samsung's commitment to regular security updates, this phone packs value into every aspect of its design. If you want a phone that exceeds expectations in the areas that matter most, display, performance, camera, and connectivity, without putting a dent in your wallet, the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G is the smart choice. It's a testament to the fact that exceptional technology doesn't have to come at a premium price. Intrigued? Be sure to check out more videos like this in this playlist, or take a look at the recommended video in the description for more insight into this awesome device.